Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So I am planning my outfits for an upcoming trip with my parents. We're going to do a bit of a road trip. So it's not a beachy holiday. I think 1 or 2 days we're maybe going to go hiking. So then I'm just going to wear like athletic wear, which I'm not going to show you, but a lot of the time we're going to drive around, explore like little towns. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing. I literally put the suitcase on the bed. So as I'm showing you the outfits and taking them off, I'm going to put them in the suitcase. And I apologize if anything is a bit wrinkly. I'm not going to steam it before I put it in the suitcase. So this is kind of real-time outfit planning of what I plan to take with me. So the first outfit is these Bermuda denim shorts, which I love, and I think I'm gonna probably create 2 or 3 outfits with them. That's what I love about like jeans, shorts, like bottoms in general. You can create a few outfits. Then I'm wearing this gorgeous little top from Madewell. It's this beautiful blue with a bit of red, and it's just nice and airy and super lightweight, which I love. Then I'm wearing my derby shoes. These are insanely comfortable, and I also popped on this white necklace, kind of just to tie in with the shoes and to add an extra accessory. And then I actually styled this outfit in the week, and I absolutely love it. So this is what I'm taking along. I'm just gonna add my red bomber jacket because I think that just creates such a nice outfit. So it's nice and easy, casual but still elevated. The shoes are comfortable. I will put my white sneakers in as well in case we end up doing a bit more walking. But yeah, this is outfit number 1. And I'm not sure if I'm planning another outfit specifically with these jeans, but in case I'm not, I'm going to add these jeans in because if it's maybe slightly cooler on a specific day, or I want to wear jeans for going to dinner, then I can just add these jeans to this outfit and most everything else I am packing. So that's another piece I'm adding just in case, easy to mix and match. Okay, next outfit, same denim Bermuda shorts and derby shoes. Then I just added this basic tank top. This is kind of in an off-white color. Added a red beaded necklace and then my Zara jacket, which this was one of the ways that I envisioned styling this jacket as we head into summer. Just for those days when it's slightly cooler, but you kind of want an interesting outfit, and I think it works so well with the shorts. So that is another outfit with these Bermudas. Okay, next outfit, and I realized I didn't show bags with the first couple of outfits, so I think I'm gonna take my off-white bag from Rabianco. That fits quite a bit in and it will go with a lot of the outfits. And then I also want to take my Loewe basket bag just to add a bit of texture and a summery touch to an outfit. But the next outfit is that same Zara jacket. It actually, I initially thought it was black, but it's actually a really nice dark navy. So I'm layering this buttoned tank top from Massimo Dutti underneath, which is also a really dark navy. Went for my off-white Bermuda denim shorts that I got from H&M last year, but I think they still have a similar pair. And then I can either go for my derby shoes, but I wanted to bring a bit of warmth to the outfit, so I'm wearing my tan ballet flats, and that ties in well with the tan in the bag. And then I initially had a tan belt on, but that was just too much with this outfit, so I'm just wearing a white belt. So that is look number 3. Okay, next outfit, I kept on the off-white Bermuda denim shorts and the tan ballet flats, and then I saw this red shirt at Zara, and you know how much I love red at the moment. It's just such a good color, and I thought it paired really nicely with the off-white. And then I added this tan suede belt. It has a gold buckle, so I'll probably pack some gold jewelry as well just to tie in with that, because the buckle is quite big. And then just my Loewe bag. Yeah, really love the look. Love all of these colors together with the red and the tan. Okay, next outfit. I think this is number 5. So I'm wearing this denim shift dress that I got from H&M last year, but they never go out of style. We see them every single year, so I will link similar ones. My derby shoes again, and then the white necklace again, which I think adds a nice pop. And then I just popped the red shirt over the top, which I just think adds such a nice pop of color. Love this look. It's so me. Like, it is a dress, but the styling and also the shape of the dress is not overly feminine, which I love. And so if I had a cardigan, or not a jacket, but a cardigan, I would probably drape it over my shoulders if I'm not wearing it. But with the shirt, I quite like it just tied around the waist. Just to keep that red in the outfit, but if it's warm, then you don't have to wear it. I promise you, this is the skirt that just keeps on giving. I've styled it so many ways already, and I just keep on coming up with new ways to style it. So I thought this would be nice for maybe dinner, but also if I want to wear the skirt during the day, I can just wear either the derby shoes or some sneakers. But it's this kind of side knot ruched gingham skirt from Zara, then a white tank top. It's double layered. I showed it in one of my previous videos, also from Zara. Then I'm wearing a sandal now. I think I'm just going to pack one pair of sandals. But as I said, I can do some flats like a derby shoe or a sneaker with it as well. And then my red bomber jacket, which I just love the pop of red. So yes, I think that is outfit number 6. Okay, outfit number 7. So I kept on my white tank top. I have another one from, I think it's from Mango from last year, that I will also bring because it's just a really great basic to have, great layering piece. I styled it with my barrel khaki trousers from Zara, but it is they are adjustable in the waist, and I usually would wear them more high-waisted, but I think they look with this outfit better when worn kind of more low-waisted and baggy. And then I styled it with my Adidas Japans. These are, by the way, my new favorite style of sneaker from Adidas. The shape is just so good, and I love the black and white. And then I just added, I'm wearing this bean necklace, and then I just added my cotton black jacket from COS. So really more of a casual look with the sneakers, but still elevated. Next outfit, I really want to take some dresses because I feel like if you just don't pack and wear your dresses, then they don't get the wear out of it. I love dresses, but I find myself grabbing separates very often, so I'm packing dresses and I'm wearing them. I've shown this one from Banana Republic before. It's got the most beautiful cutout in the back, really nice and stretchy bodice, very comfortable. It also has pockets, and then I styled it with the same black and white Adidas sneakers. These sneakers look so cool with a dress. And then I added my white necklace just to tie in with the white of the shoes. And then for a jacket, I can either wear the black jacket that I wore in the previous outfit, or I can add a pop of red. And I do love the red. So it just depends on how I'm feeling on that day. But yes, love this dress, and I still love dresses with sneakers. I had this outfit, these pieces on the side, and and I wasn't sure if I was going to pack any of them, but I thought, you know what, quickly put on the pieces and see if I like the outfit, and I absolutely love it. I think it's just, yeah, such a really nice elevated casual summer look. So I got these minty green Bermuda shorts from Uniqlo a while back and styled it again with my derby shoes. There's a denim little shell top that I got from Madewell. I love a top that has a V in the back. I think that's just such a nice detail and shape, quite unexpected. Added my white necklace again. This necklace is becoming one of my most worn. I've styled it with so many outfits. And then I was kind of unsure about the jacket because I don't have, mind my closet, it is a bit unorganized at the moment. I don't have a white jacket. So I think I'm just gonna do this kind of off-white creamy sweater, drape it over my shoulders if it's maybe a bit cold. So yeah, in case I need a jacket, I think I'm just gonna do that because I don't want to do denim, like denim on denim. The black and the red won't work, so maybe I'll just wear this on a day that it is nice and hot, and then just pop on the sweater for in case. Okay, another dress. I don't know how many outfits I'm at now, maybe 9 or 10, but I got this dress from J. Crew, instantly fell in love when I saw it on the website. It's this beautiful light blue cotton. It has pinstripes. This bodice is insanely flattering with the kind of shearing, and it has this halter style, which I love. Really love it in the back as well, and I need to just put that in. Here we go. And I styled it with my derby shoes. I can honestly do the black sandals as well because there's a very dark stripe in here. So if I want a sandal with this, or I can do a white sneaker. And I was kind of on the fence about what jacket to do with this. Again, I don't have a white jacket, which that probably means that I have a gap in my wardrobe when it comes to a white jacket. But I love the yellow with the blue. So I might just add this little yellow jacket from Massimo Dutti. I wasn't actually planning on packing this light yellow jacket, but I love it with the blue dress. I think this is such a cool outfit. So good. So yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna pack. Okay, I'm undecided whether or not I should pack this dress. I think I'm gonna pack it because then I have it. And like we're gonna be in the car, so I'm gonna take a big suitcase. I don't have to worry about like weight restrictions or anything like that. But I wanted to show it to you regardless of whether I'm going to wear it or not. It is just the most beautiful dress. The back definitely is what makes this dress. It has the most beautiful cutout and the little ties. Also has this tie in the waist, and then it has a two-tone gingham. Such a beautiful dress, also from J. Crew. And again, I styled it with my derby shoes. I actually really want a red or a yellow sandal with this dress. I think that would look so good. It also has pockets. But yeah, I thought it was just such a nice dress, and if I plan on taking it with me, I think I'm gonna wear the red or the yellow jacket with it as well, that light yellow one from Massimo Dutti. But yes, I think that's it. I think I have enough outfits now, and the pieces I'm taking I can easily mix and match, like the red shirt with the denim Bermuda shorts. I can do the skirt with a white t-shirt and the black jacket if I want to. I'm gonna put a white t-shirt in. So lots of different ways to mix and match what I'm packing. The denim shell can go with the off-white jeans as well, the shorts. So yes, I think I'm good with everything I'm packing. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. This to me was now really insightful because now I know what I want to pack and I know what the outfits are going to look like. I know that they're going to work. So highly recommend it if you're going on a longish trip to plan your outfits, try it on. Obviously I filmed it for YouTube, but it can seem like it's kind of a bit of a schlep, but it's well worth it because then you know your outfits are on point. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. I hope you did. I will link everything down below along with the sizes that I'm wearing. And yes, I will chat you again in the next video. Bye everyone. Mwah.